potato, the good potato.
Wake up! It's time to go to school. It's so early. I will go earlier because you need to clean your room. But my room is so clean, and if it's messy, I don't want to clean anymore. Stop it, Potato. We cannot even enter here. This is absolute mess. If you don't clean up today, I'm going to throw everything. He's right, Potato. It's time.
I am in my cozy house, helping to clean up with my family and my friend the carrot.
Oh, I just spread all the ice cream for an accident. A potato. Just grab a wipey. Oh, I already cleaned up my bedroom. I don't need to clean up in another place. Yes, Potato. It's very important to clean everywhere. Oh, I just spread all the jelly on the floor by accident. I'm going to leave it there. Don't leave the jelly there. Clean it up. Here too. Why I need to clean in all places? Is there a place I don't need to clean? Actually, no, Potato. Developing polite and tidy habits. It's a superpower that works in every single situation, from your bedroom to this store, from an office to a sports field. Being respectful is clean about practicing muscle memory and creating a better environment for everyone, no matter where you are. Also, Potato, think of all the people that are working, like cleaning ladies or assistant guys. You need to help them because they make a lot of work every single day. Vegetarians, as your new chief cleanliness officer, I hereby swear that never let something dirty remain in our beautiful store again. Every spot, every smudge, every wheel met with swift and thorough cleaning. I am committed to a clean life. Kids, you should try that too. Look at my life later. Before and after. Hope you enjoy it. With activity included. Hope it's very clear. Thank you. Bye.